Hi, in this video we will learn how to add new worksheet to your existing Excel file. Open existing Excel file. This is the Excel file already created in my computer. I want to insert a new worksheet in for this Excel file. By default, the Excel application will create 3 worksheets. Whenever you create an Excel file, automatically 3 sheets are created by default. If you want to add additional worksheet for your Excel file, click on the Insert Worksheet button that is beside the sheet names, sheet tabs. If you observe this button, Insert Worksheet button, or else the shortcut key is Shift plus F11. Click on this button. Automatically the new sheet is added to your Excel file. Now type the data. New sheet is added. If you want to add one more sheet, click on Insert Worksheet button again. Then the second sheet is added. New sheet added. New sheet 2 is added. The second method to insert a worksheet is click on the Home tab. On the Home ribbon, you will find Cells category. In the Cells category, Insert drop down button is there. Click on this one. Then it displays 4 options: Insert cells, Insert sheet rows, Insert sheet columns, and fourth option is Insert sheet. Click on this option, Insert sheet. Then it inserts new sheet to your Excel file. To delete a sheet, right click on the sheet tab. It opens one pop-up menu. From that pop-up menu, choose delete option. It deletes the sheet. To delete the worksheet, the second method is click on the Home tab. On the Home ribbon, you will find Cells category buttons. In this, you will find Delete drop-down button. Click on this one. It displays 4 options: delete cells, delete sheet rows, delete sheet columns. Fourth option, delete sheet. Click on the delete sheet option. Then it will ask for the confirmation data may exist in the sheet. To permanently delete the data, press delete. Click on delete option. The sheet is deleted. While you are deleting the sheets, you must careful the active sheet will be deleted. The presently open sheet will be deleted. Okay, thank you.